G'day, welcome to the Simple Cooking channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a paleo chocolate pudding. This is really yummy. Let's go.
Simple Cooking Channel.
Now get a bowl and put in one avocado, probably about a medium size or so, and we want to mush it up. Now add a quarter of a cup of raw cacao powder. Mix this through. Now just add about a quarter of a teaspoon of vanilla extract. You can add half a teaspoon if you want. And between 1 and 2, depending on how sweet you want it, between 1 and 2 tablespoons of honey. I use raw honey for this. Now mix this through. Holy Hankazaria. This is so good. Don't have to be paleo to enjoy this. If you're not paleo but just want something different that's really yummy, that is still healthy, try this. It is so good. I'll see you next time for my next meal.